Local news for Monday, the 2nd of October. Greytown Butchery will once again be entering the Devro Great New Zealand Sausage Competition. Last year they won a gold for their beef-flavoured sausage and in fact have done every year bar one. The Supreme and People's Choice Award winners will be announced before National Sausage Day on the 19th of October. Mark that one on your calendar. Gavin's entering the black pudding, saveloy and Moroccan lamb and raisin sausages and of course the previously awarded beef-flavoured sausage. Anyone wishing to have their say on the proposals for the Manawatu Gorge have until midnight Wednesday to do so and can do so via the NZTA website. The Pahetua track continues to be monitored, while the Saddle Road has two sections that are having their plans finalised for work to begin later this year. And simple errors and ill discipline cost the Farriers Wairarapa Bush a win yesterday against Honowhenua Kapiti at the Caton in Wellington. Down 18-0 at half-time, they slumped to a 38-12 defeat, but Baker and Raymond scored two spectacular second-half tries. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.